I followed the information provided. As I've mentioned earlier, sir, the information provided was that there's a possible contact person that can provide us the lead. And that number points to Mr. Richard Chen. So I called Mr. Richard Chen and requested him to meet up or have a link up. So I can interview him, sir, and validate the information initially provided to me by my counterpart from China. So when I met Mr. Chen inside his car, inside his van, somewhere in Valenzuela City,
Where exactly in Valenzuela?
within the vicinity of Pure Gold, Valenzuela City,
Why
Your
did you
Honor.
have to meet in his car?
Again, sir?
Why did you have to meet in his car?
Sir, at that time, sir,
What
Mr.
time
Chen,
was that?
around 1:20 in the morning, Your Honor.
1:20 in the morning, in his car.
Yes, sir.
Why did you have to meet him in the car?
Sir, Mr. Chen is afraid of his life and his safety, and he do not know us personally. That's why he requested that I be accompanied by a Chinese-speaking
Which you
person.
requested from the NBI, kuno?
Yes, sir. I
Was
initially,
it provided to you?
sir, at that time, sir, they also failed to provide it to me, sir.
So it was not provided by the NBI. So kumuha ka na ng Chinese. How do you know he spoke Mandarin, Hokkien, Cantonese?
Sir, it was that information was provided to us by our counterpart.
I have the stenographic notes because you said it was all verbal.
Yes, sir.
Sent to a certain Rodias ba yun? And nakalagay dito, unkompleto. The owner is helping us but nervous. Please contact with him and promise that you will not punish him and protect him. He will inform you the detailed address of the warehouse. He's waiting. The real suspect, could be Ming Jun Zhu, correct?
Yes, sir.
And Fidel Anoche D.
That's
Correct.
correct. That's correct, Your Honor.
Correct. Binigay ba sa'yo ni Anthony Chen yun? Ni Richard Chen?
Sir, it was provided to me, and when I saw the box, that name was written on top of the box, Your Honor.
So, ano ginawa mo? Kumuha ka na ng ELOA.
Yes, sir.
And you got it by 2:30 or 3 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Kagad binigay sa'yo?
It was transported to me, Your Honor.
Ha?
It was sent to me, Your Honor.
Sent to you. I thought you went to the office.
Sir, I did not anymore go back to the office. I stayed in that area and supervised the operation, Your Honor.
What operation?
Believing, Your Honor, that the information is really accurate and confirmed, I decided not anymore to leave the area of Valenzuela City, Your Honor, because I'm thinking at that time, Your Honor, the drug syndicate might, or the information might have leaked, and the drugs might have slipped the warehouse of Mr. Richard Chen. So I decided to be in the area, Your Honor, so that I can secure the area
Ikaw
of
lang.
logistics. No, Your Honor, I brought at least 3 tactical teams with me, Your Honor.
3 tactical teams.
Yes, Your
To
Honor.
talk to Mr. Chen.
Your Honor, I was the only one who talked to Mr. Chen with the Chinese interpreter beside me, who is also a CIS operative. And then the 2 tactical teams,
What is the name of that operative?
Sir, Mr. Stanley Pascual.
I want him subpoenaed here. Charlie Pascual.
Stanley Pascual, Your
Stanley
Honor.
Pascual.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Having done that,
Yes, Your Honor.
you, according to your statement, to your report, sabi mo nagpunta ka kay Commissioner Faeldon at kumuha ka ng LOA. Correct?
Sir, I called Commissioner Paeldon and briefed him about the situation and requested Commissioner Paeldon for the issuance of letter of authority. I did not went back to BOC,
You did
Your
not
Honor.
go back, you mean?
Yes, sir.
So you got the LOA from him.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pinadala sa'yo. Finax, pinadala, in-email.
It was emailed to us, Your Honor.
Oh, really? May email ka? May dala kang kung ano? Sa telepono mo dalang kinuha?
Sir, it was emailed to us, Your Honor, and we retrieved it from the office of Hongpei Logistics, Your Honor.
So nakapasok na kayo.
Mr. Richard Chen accompanied us in his office, Your Honor.
Sa Hongbei.
Yeah,
Kasama mo na
just the office, Your Honor.
Richard Chen.
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi na siya natakot. Huhulihin nyo na.
Well,
Hindi na siya mako-compromise.
I gave him all the assurances, Your Honor, because at that time, sir, I'm playing a good cop to him so that he will reveal to us everything that he knows about the drug shipment, Your Honor.
All right. So when you got there, you also had time to get dogs. What time did you get the dogs?
At the same time that we are conducting, that we are waiting for the lower, Your Honor, I requested Mr. Richard Chen to give us all the office files that he has as regards to all his shipment, Your Honor.
No. I was talking about dogs. Aso.
I'm sorry.
Nagpakuha ka ng aso.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yan
I'm
ang
sorry.
nakalagay doon sa iyong sinulat. Aso. A-S-O. Dog. Aso.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Sir, I requested narcotics dog from the Bureau of Customs, Your Honor.
So, gaano katagal bago dumating yung aso?
At around, I think it was already, I forgot that timeline, Your Honor, but just in time that we were doing the inspection, Your Honor.